Outstanding.
Welcome again. Before I go any further, I'm going to tell you why I really do this video again. Zojak has updated the website, and me email them and ask a few questions in which there are things where them say them go update. But with this new update, what I get to understand so far is submission of video will be more better and a few more stuff. In this video, I really want to go over back some of those stuff. So I reach a particular part in this process in which I say, alright, I go stop, do this video. As you can see, them have partnered with Sanctus, so they can get your publishing, you can get Sanctus as a publisher for $80 US. So you can really use them for do your publishing Sanctus. So with Zojak, you get 20% off instead of paying the full $100 US. You can pay 80 with this 20% off. So last night when me go submit one song, I realized I can't log in. So I said I must some sort of issue this. I asked in my WhatsApp group, and Iron Lion have the same issue. So I say, alright, cool. So when I emailed Josh, he told me that some sort of update are going on with the website, and some things are going to update within the first month or two, in which I really want to cover it and let others know, alright, this is the way to go about doing this, because apparently they do not send out emails saying that their website been updated or whatever the thing being updated when you really want to do something now. You're going to be in a lot of problem. So first, what you can do is go to client login as usual, and you get this new page. However, you have to go to Zojak Connect for this page to pop up. Now, after you enter your full legal name here and your email address, you go pick one of these that you are associated with. Now, for me do them for something plus other something, but being as I'm using them as a distributor, I just select record label. You can be an artist too. You can be a producer. You can be a manager. You can be a producer and you're not a record label, but yada yada about the bugger chatting. Then you click submit. When you click submit, it will bring you to a page looking something like this. So, congratulations, you've been taking the first step to blah blah blah, yada yada. Please wait up until 5 minutes or so before contacting us. So if you do this late night, you probably might not get the email, but if it's an automated system, then you probably might get the email by then, in which I do not know if it's an automated system. I'm almost like somebody I deal with it in cases that I've known. So with that being said, you will receive an email looking like this. This is the part where I'm at, in which I do not have gone through yet. So let's go through it together. So set up your account. So go open it in a new tab, and it says, select your region. This is totally different from what I would expect. So I'm living in the Caribbean, so North America. One of two. So my legal name, label name. Now in this section, what I really encourage is for you to read through the terms and agreement that you're going to be signing to with your digital signature, and I want you to be aware of termination of your signature with Zojak will result in removal of all the songs that you have with them on our streaming platforms. So please do enter your legal name and your label name read through the terms of service agreement and obligation and all of these things before you proceed any further. After this first page, you will move on to a second page, whereas in you will enter your username and your password, and your password must be over 10 characters long, including special letters, numbers, and capital and common letter. So it's a mixture of things that you have to put there, so it have a very, very strong password. And after you sign up and log in, this is what the dashboard look like. And I have been playing around with it somewhat, to understand what it looks like. However, on the upload music section part, from the previous account that you have, it will take you to that page, and you will see some auto login stuff if you have that section already sorted out. And what I have noticed so far with this new update to their website is it that members associated with them with this login type that you are seeing here too. You can see members that have signed with Zojak through this login portal. They also have some discussion group, and you have a profile that you can really set up there. I encourage you to take the time out and set up your profile, and the artist profiles that are being associated with your submission of music and so forth like that. So in resources section also you have stuff, two things that have been sent to you in the email that you receive from them, and you can also read them back over, see the terms of agreement and so forth like that. You can set up a profile as how you want it. You can post for your page, so please do add me as a friend also on it. I have seen quite a few people that I have known their record label also. So with this video out there, it will make the general public aware of what have been going on with this update. So thus far it has a better marketing face, or should I say better graphics. It is more user friendly, and I'll do a video on uploading music video to it also. So if I haven't checked it out as yet. If it is easy, I'll leave it alone, but if it's complicated, I'll do a video about it. So please do. Thank you again for tuning into this video. Until further updates on this particular page, I'll be going through it, learning more stuff, and I'll somewhat share it with you, in the simplest forms of how I can spread this information out there. So until next time, it's a boy Eldorado. Peace out.